Letter. Write a letter to your friend congratulating her on her birthday. Examination Hall, City A.B.C. March 22, 2024. Dear Amna, Assalamu alaikum. I am specially writing this letter to congratulate you on your birthday. I owe you a gift and you will get it when you come to Lahore. I was going to send it to you by post, but then I was informed that you plan to come to Lahore. So I decided to give it to you personally. I am waiting for you. Convey my respects to aunt and uncle. Wishing you the best. Yours sincerely, XYZ.